In 1920, a man created the most famous scam in history using postage stamps. Charles Ponzi discovered something brilliant. International postal reply coupons cost almost nothing in Europe, but in America, they could be exchanged for valuable stamps worth 50% more. Easy money, right? Ponzi promised investors 50% returns in just 45 days. Word spread like wildfire. Within months, 40,000 people were handing him their life savings. He was pulling in $1 million every single week. On paper, Ponzi became richer than John D. Rockefeller himself. But there was one problem. A Boston reporter did the math. For Ponzi's operation to work, he'd need to be trading more postal coupons than existed in the entire world. When investigators finally raided his offices, they found the shocking truth. Ponzi had bought exactly $61 worth of postal coupons. He owed investors $7 million. The postal arbitrage was just a story. He'd been paying old investors with new investor money from day one. The Ponzi scheme was born.